She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her.
Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be bleaching my natural hair. I wasn't doing YouTube videos when my hair was blonde, so technically y'all have never seen my hair blonde, but if you follow me on my Instagram and stuff, you know that I used to be blonde. I feel like since my hair is healthier now, I'll take better care of it when I bleach it. Let's get started. See, I have some really super duper old color in here. I don't think that it'll affect the bleaching process just because it's like so old and so faded. So what I'm doing is I'm splitting my hair up into sections like I always do. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. So after I detangle that first section, I'm going to split that section into another section. I mean, even though I'm using a 30 volume developer, you know, I still like to be able to work fast when it comes to bleach. I probably should have got a 20, but when I used to bleach my hair, I used to use a 40. Even going for that like super blonde to the roots look anyway. I just want like this down to be blonde. Like I still want to keep my roots. So it is time to start bleaching. So in order to create some order here, put them in a ponytail holder, in a rubber band, whatever you want to call it, just so like when I start bleaching, I can just move right through it. I have my bleach concoction. Now I'm gonna start bleaching. Y'all, I'm so nervous right now because I have not put any bleach in my own hair in so freaking long. Just doing the middle of my hair and the ends. I'm gonna take some aluminum foil, stick it on here, and I'm gonna fold it up. Ooh wee, it's been a long time since I've done this. I'm done, and like I'm literally crying right now. Like my eyes are burning. My hair looks like, since I have all color, I think that it's processing faster, which is okay with me. I really don't care. My pieces are getting hot like they're supposed to, and I think I'm gonna just leave this in for like 15 minutes because you can see that it's already processing so quick. I'll be back in 15 minutes. So it doesn't look bad. I mean, why am I lying to myself? I mean, it doesn't look terrible because I had color in my hair already. Those spots processed faster, but I'm gonna still wear it though. Okay, so it's about 2 days later, and this is what my hair looks like. It actually doesn't look bad, because at first I was so scared. I was like, oh my God, all these dark spots. What am I gonna do when I wear my hair out? Like, is it gonna look bad? But it honestly does not look bad at all. The supply store, and I got some more bleach. And now I'm just gonna touch up these dark spots and give myself a more even color. And I think I'm gonna go a little bit further down with my color. I'm not gonna go to the root, but down to like when I pull my hair up, like in the back you'll be able to see more of the color when I pull my hair up. Okay, so my whole head is covered with bleach on the ends that needed to be touched up. And I think I'm gonna touch up some of this in the back just because when I did a wash and go yesterday, there was more black back here. So I'm gonna touch that up and then I'm gonna just let it sit for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out. And then I'm gonna style it and y'all are gonna see what it looks like. Just washed out the bleach. I haven't put any kind of purple shampoo in it just because I wanted to see how it would look. And I'm kind of happy with my result. I think I should have left the bleach on there just a little bit longer so it would get a little more blonde. And I'm gonna deep condition and then I'm gonna style it. And then also I'm going to blow dry it out and then clip my ends because when my hair was blonde like before, I did a terrible job of like maintaining my hair as far as like clipping my ends and all that good stuff. So I'm going to do that and then hopefully when my hair grows out some more, I can just keep on cutting this and then it'll all be one color. So this is what my hair looks like after styling. I am so happy with my results. I love how it's that like kind of dandelion-ish yellow. I don't know what to call it, but I really like this blonde. I think I like this blonde better than the one that I had like 2 years ago. So yeah, and it only took me 2 tries versus the last time it took me like 5. And yeah, I just really like it, and my hair is gonna be blonde for a long time. So that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.